Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a jet black 2015 Mazda CX-9 Grand Touring, stock number A7000. You can see you've got factory fog lights up front. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches here. You do have an alloy rim that is wrapped in a 20-inch Lion Sport tire. Inside, there's a power sunroof, and then you have a black leather upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row. You've got seating for 3 back in the second row. There are rear climate controls here, and then coming to the third row, might be a little hard to see, but you do have seating for 2 back here. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. Coming back to the rear, you do have a trailer hitch. There are backup sensors, and you've also got a backup camera here. Inside of the trunk is very clean. That third row seating folds into a 50-50 split. The second row folds into a 60-40 split to give you lots of extra space. You do have a set of carpeted floor mats here, and there is also a power liftgate to make it as easy as the push of one button to get that open and close. And the reason that I'm showing you this Mazda today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There is a Bose premium audio system. You've got power lumbar adjustments, buttons here for memory seating. To the left of the steering wheel, you have some additional controls. Stepping inside, on the left of the steering wheel, you've got driver information and audio controls. On the right-hand side, you have cruise control buttons. Coming up to the rear view mirror, you've got HomeLink garage door opener buttons here. And then down to the center, you've got this great touchscreen display. This is where your backup camera will show. You do have a CD player and AM/FM radio. You've also got capabilities for navigation and Sirius satellite radio. Underneath of that, there are dual climate controls. You've got buttons here for heated front row seating. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. You've got a 3.7-liter V6 engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 22 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on the CX-9 or to schedule your test drive, visit holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.